Hi everybody, Daniel here from Basement Tech. Well, it was a really busy holiday season. I got a lot of projects done, but didn't really manage to get many videos out. The first of those projects was the one you're seeing here, the continuation of the Disk Sander project. Before the holiday, I had the motor speed controller working, the VFD, and it was working really well. But in order to connect that to something useful, I needed a shaft adapter from that 24 millimeters to something common, in this case 5/8. So I didn't make any video of the actual turning on the lathe because frankly I'm not really that good at it, but I did manage to produce this part, which is really working well. I drilled a hole in the end using the lathe and some big drill bits, drilled and tapped those holes for some screws to tighten it up, and then turned down the 5/8 end of it. We purchased the actual disc itself, and when it was all put together, I was really thrilled that the vibration was completely negligible. It had less than a thousandth run out, which I thought was amazing given my lathe skills. But in the end, I think it's going to be really neat. The next step is, of course, to mount it on some kind of a frame, glue some sandpaper onto the front of the disc, and put it to use. Well, the last minute or so of the video is just how well it does work. So I'll let you see that, and including the reversing switch, which I think is a really nifty feature of this VFD. So without further ado, I'll just stop talking and let you witness the magic that is this Disk Sander project.